Ibondiomano, it's another beautiful episode of the Eastside Music Show. Afam Kabusomto Nono. So today, I'm with a very talented Igbo artist, one of the fastest rising from Ali Igbo. And, you know, she's a rapper. Yeah, very interesting. She's a rapper and, you know, we followed her growth, we followed her progress so far, and we're very happy to have her in the studio with us today. And like I said, she's a very talented Igbo artist. With us in the studio, I'm Soft. No. Good to have you here.
Thank you.
Good to have you here. Good to see you.
Thank you.
So let's just go straight to business, you know. Tell us about yourself. Onye ebe Igbo. Kedafa ezigbo afa gi. I'm an afa gi. Afa Igbo Soft.
Yes.
But first off, before we go there, what inspired that name? Can you feel inspire Soft?
Okay, I just knew when I was in JS1.
Oh, JS1.
In school, yeah. So I was very, very slim and, you know, little, and they always beat me in school. So I had a nickname and I bought Slimzy, not Slimzy. To a point I had to switch it to Soft. I call me Soft, but I'm not Soft. So since then they've been calling me that.
And I like when the way you spell Soft. That is
Soft,
different.
yeah. The acronym.
That's very creative. So we're going to ezigbo afa gi onye ebe Igbo.
Okay, Afambo Ejiofor Juliet Amarachi. I'm one local government area in Imo State.
Beautiful.
I'm from na Abia State. Etrum na Aba.
Aba. No, all the good in your voice. The energy.
Etrum na Aba.
Beautiful. Aba the blast now. Ika na Aba.
Mba. Mbi na Lasgidi.
Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. So we're gonna see video or like has it been something you've always wanted to do, like Kembasi, Momiko, on Bolzi, Fizzy and all you book Kichi?
I'm from entertainment Nanya and Kuku. So I started going for show being Afro, you know. Shows, yes. My parents always program na show naga branding madegu, monye gumba.
Can I be with that?
Can I kembe mbudere ihe egwu selatola kana egwu egwu.
Okay.
So on bank kamji bude entertainment and me mimic kwa egwu ndị mmadụ na akụ ya mana graduation ma birthday party nga akpọ egwu ndị mmadụ na agụ. Even mgbe Fino hapụtara Splash hapụtashiri egwu ha niile amachami ya agụ. So been around junior secondary in school. Kamji like Zegwu or former because Otele me since 4 years.
And on back he discovered him rap and all.
Yes, a bank can be the tutuya Uche. I was there around 2016. Kam kick is off finally.
Beautiful.
Bembara school.
Kicking like you kick off with like recording your own songs.
Yes. Yes.
Beautiful. So how has it been so far? So far, you know, from then, you know, 2016, right?
Yeah.
It's a good one at the game.
Otegaka. The beke is a roller coaster. It has been a roller coaster of events. So Otekwan easy. It's not easy. So from
it's been beautiful.
It's been beautiful. I just love it.
Very good, very good. So on any particular reason you chose to infuse Igbo in your songs, you know? I mean, for all I know, for all I care, you know, you could have decided to go, you know, English and, you know, trying to do like every other person. So on any particular reason, did you infuse?
Okay, Bembidoro. I like Keremo Nicki Minaj that time and Meg Yota. But EMJT Igbo, you know, Igbo come naso. And something different. Igbo no language marama. So I feel comfortable using it. So MMG.
And you check because some of the people you were, you know, mimicking were a lot of Igbo artists, almost Splash, So that might have, you know.
That put alongside the way.
Okay.
Alongside the journey, no one down.
So aside from Nicki Minaj, are there like other inspiration from Ndebang, like people you can say that like you look up to, or you looked up to, Wibido?
Fino, Negaro.
Oh.
Because Negaro, we be a palona kuko like and I Negaro. So yes. So by na safe right now again away I na nege for that time. So Fino, Negaro, Splash, Zoro, you know, our OGs, you please them, and just Slow Dog.
So like, you know, currently on any Igbo artist like you work with, you know, anybody that anyone you've already worked with, you know.
I've worked with Fancy Papaya.
Oh, that's great.
I have an upcoming song with Fancy Papaya.
Interesting. She has a song with Fancy.
Fancy.
Yeah.
Wait for it, guys.
So it's also Fancy. Are there any other ones you're looking forward to working with?
Yes, a lot of them.
Very interesting. So, you know, like you said, the journey has been a roller coaster of events. You know? And where, like, do you feel like there's been a shift, like from Ebibido to now? Have you seen? Do you think there's been any, you know, progress from your career? You know.
Yes. Based on personal growth.
Yeah. What do you think?
Yes.
From the outside, now forget, you know, feel like, oh, you're doing very well, you've discovered soft. From your own lens, do you think so far, now, if I name this journey so far, on Agakwa?
Okay. On Agamaka, even no nya, we been no tata.
Beautiful.
So, even no ba, anozimia. On Ago for man, Kewuna, discover Kurumo more. And I know people, I know by the 1% of ifem jabata ifem brubia because ozioman buabia international movement ya internet ndo Igbo ga mecha su Igbo. So I would say that the growth is massive. Currently
the hip hop scene in Igbo is like the hottest it has ever been. You know, I see, okay, Afrobeats might not necessarily reside here, but there's hip hop. Only if when hip hop is gaining ground here, and you're pretty much a hip hop artist. You rap very well. And you know, if any noticeable, it's mostly the men, the young boys, name drill and rap and all of that. You know, but you're one of those ones that, you know, stand out as a girl. You know, doing rap music, yes, you know, rap music. So you're one of those a pioneer in rap for the females now, Igbo. Do you understand? On where, you know, what do you think should be done to encourage even more female rappers? Because this journey I name, like, first of all, in promoting our Igbo and our Igbo music, we want to carry everybody along. You know that. So on if or if suggestions you feel like, you know, are important to encourage young female rappers, especially
to encourage them, yellow faka. Even then, that is it. That's the top one help there. You applaud them and give them the room. Near room, KG exercise our freedom. Because we benile kaiga na aga we benile kaiga ne etishi makaya nwoke uwa nwoke no wa nwaanyi awu ofu ebe nwoke ga-aganwu sometimes akwa na ebe nwaanyi ga-aganwu because of security purposes. So even the female artist enyerekwe ha aka ka ha dị free garukwe n'ebe ọla ha chọrọ ịgaru very free, but our security, they should promote security. So that's it.
Very important.
And encourage them, share their posts and every other. That's just the help.
Because the truth is, only one need the money in your life. To get to, you know, yeah, of course. It's not money. I know you come before, but I'm so bad. So like back in our phone in the next like 2 years. Of course, Ibro a prophet. From the trajectory of things, you know, the way things is here. Where do you see yourself in 2 years from now? You know, as Soft, the rapper, the entertainer, the musician. Could there be in our phone in the next 2 years?
In the next 2 years, I see myself breaking the shores of doubt. I'm going to be there. Yes, just in one word, greatness.
Of course. And in my hear the voice of the East, I know quality. Igbo artists, especially the young ones that are still coming. This is like a platform that we're creating for them, and we're rooting for you, you know. And we believe that in the next 2 years, you know, of course, like you said, you'll be at the very top. So is there anything we're expecting from you very soon? A new song, a new project?
Yes, my EP.
Interesting.
Working on my EP.
I'm going to already.
I'm be there.
Okay.
I'm working on it.
Okay, that's beautiful. How many songs are you expecting from it?
It will be 5.
5 songs?
Like 4 songs, yes.
So before the EP, any songs coming out? You know?
Any songs. For now, I want to drop my EP.
Okay, just your EP.
Yeah.
But you have a song out. You have a song out.
Papaya's, the one I have with Papaya will probably drop before the EP.
Okay.
Yes.
You seem very excited about it. Odiko.
It's a nice song.
Okay.
It's a nice song.
Yeah, we cannot wait to hear that. We cannot wait to hear that. So before we go, Inwe is song out, you know. Can I do the title of the song first of all?
Owo.
Owo.
Yes.
Owo as in
Ego. Kudi.
Okay, Nasusu.
Yoruba.
Okay.
Owo Nasusu Yoruba.
Beautiful. And it's everywhere, yeah?
It's everywhere.
Beautiful.
All platforms.
All platforms. So go check out Owo by Soft. Go check it out. It's out, and like she said, I didn't expect an EP from her, and we're looking forward to that from Soft. It was very nice having you with us here in the studio.
Thank you.
Of course, I talk some other time. Maybe when your EP drops,
Definitely.
Thank you so much for coming. Soft in the house. Yeah.
Thank you.
And that was Soft with us in the studio. I hope you enjoyed this episode of the Eastside Music Show. See you some other time. Coordinate.